Hey everyone, Jason here, back with Honest Try TV. Today we got another review with the CookUnity meals. This time we have the grilled hanger steak with asparagus. This one was crafted by, you can see him right there, Akhtar Nawab of the Good For You company. And we are going to follow the chef instructions on prepping this meal. But before we do, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It is greatly appreciated. And let's continue. Chef instructions. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Got the oven going. Oh, it's almost there. About 10 degrees left. All right. Step 2, remove the sleeve and film. All right, let's remove the sleeve. And then we got the film. Oh, there goes the oven. It's ready. Let's do a nice 360. Smells good. The asparagus doesn't look mushy, so that's good, right? Yeah. And it's a little container here. Some type of sauce, I guess. We'll continue. Let's see what the next instructions are. Next instruction says pour sauce on top. Okay, there we go. It doesn't say on top of what, but I am going to assume that it means the meat. So let's just pour it on top. Oh, it is thick. Oh, so to give you some background, we did have this meal in the freezer, and I assume that's why this sauce is pretty thick on there. But because of that, actually, since we had it in the freezer and then we put it in the fridge, we put it about 2 days. Now it's been thawing out. I guess not enough basically for the sauce to warm up and get back to sauciness. We will be adding additional time to the cook time. So step 4, it says heat up to 15 to 20 minutes or until heated thoroughly. And that's the last step. So we're going to add additional 5 minutes to this, making it 25 minutes, and pop it out to see how it looks like. But there you go, you guys. Oven's ready. We'll pop it in, and we'll be back right after it's done. Hey, everyone, and we're back. So we just took it out of the oven. It was in there for an additional 5 minutes from the recommended time, so 25 minutes. Let's do a quick 360. It's looking good. It's looking real good. That corn has a nice brown on it. It smells delicious. Ooh, smells good. All right. So let's give it a taste test and let's see if it actually does taste good. It smells delicious. All right. Nice and easy to cut. All right, let's try out this meat. It's good. It's a little chewy. I can feel the string. Like I feel like one already. A little piece of it stuck in my tooth already, but it's not bad. Especially with the sauce on top. It's good. Let's give some of this asparagus and corn a taste. All right. It's good. Yep. I wouldn't, maybe just add a little bit of pepper, but besides that, I mean, just in general, just by itself like this, very good. 1 out of 10. I would give it like an 8. Yeah, 8. Definitely an 8. It's definitely good. Would I order it again? For sure. I think I would. Like I said, the only thing I really don't like is the meat. You know, it's a little stringy, so it does get caught in the teeth. But besides that, it's okay. And would I recommend it to a friend? For sure. Yeah. It's a pretty good cooked meal, just fresh in the box like that. No additives necessarily needed. Besides, like I said, a little pepper if need be. But that's a simple fix if you want. But this has been Jason with Honest Try TV. We have reviewed the CookUnity, the grilled hanger steak with asparagus. And this meal was crafted by Akhtar Nawab of Good For You company. But yeah, everyone, thanks for watching. Again, like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and we will see you on the next one. See ya, bye.